Teaching is tough, but what if it could be faster, easier, and way more exciting? On this channel, we unlock the power of AI to revolutionize your classroom, saving you time, inspiring your students, and making teaching a blast. Let's get started.
Today we're going to be talking about a program called NotebookLM. And I'm a former science teacher, and I wish I would have had this program when I taught science. I think it's really important to engage students with high-quality lessons, things that interest them. And one of the things I used to do when I taught science was I would show video clips from YouTube. Now, I think you should always watch the video clips yourself before you show them to your students, but I would go through and I would watch the videos, and I would create my own questions to go along with those videos, and then I would print out the questions, and I would have students fill in the questions as they watch the video, or sometimes I would use the questions at the end, maybe as an exit ticket from the classroom, or just use them as a way to create discussion with your students. When students are discussing, they are processing information, and that is how we all learn, is through processing information. So NotebookLM is a program that is a very powerful artificial intelligence that can help you to do this and make the process quite a bit faster, quite a bit easier, and sometimes generate a lot better questions than what I could have from those videos. All right, so the first thing that you'll want to do is you want to go to Google and type in NotebookLM. And so when you do that, it's going to take you to this page, and you're going to be creating your first notebook on NotebookLM. It says create your first notebook. And so you simply want to say create. Now, in order to create the notebook, you're going to have to add sources. And again, this is only one aspect of what this program can do. I'm going to be making a video later on some of the other things that it can do. But right now, we're only looking at how to use NotebookLM in conjunction with YouTube video clips or regular YouTube videos. All right, it says upload your source. Well, I have to have a source. So let's say, again, I taught high school science. I would teach earth science, and there was a segment in earth science that we did on astronomy, and students were most interested on astronomy, and so I would find videos that were high quality, that were interesting to the students, and this is a typical type of video clip that I might show. Let's say I was teaching a unit or teaching a section on space exploration or on the planet Mars, and this video is entitled How SpaceX and NASA Plan to Build a Mars Colony. And it's only 13 minutes, but it has a lot of really good information in it. Well, if you go down to the bottom, if you scroll down here, there's this little button that says Share. Now, when I click on the Share button, it allows me to copy the link to the video. So I want to say Copy. All right. Now I'm going to go back over here to NotebookLM. Again, I'm creating my first notebook. It asks me to upload sources. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it says website or YouTube. And so right here, I'm going to click on YouTube, and this is where I'm going to paste that URL. Again, where did I get the URL? When I scroll down to the bottom of the video, there's this place that says Share. I go here, I click Copy, I go back in, I paste it here, and I say Insert. Now watch what this program does. It is able to generate a summary of this video. So right here it says the video discusses SpaceX's ambitions to colonize Mars, etc. But more than that, it takes the major topics of this video and it creates discussion questions out of them. For example, the first one says, what are the major technological challenges and opportunities facing the colonization of Mars? I might, if I were giving that to the students, I might give that to them at the beginning of the class and say, hey guys, let's watch for the answers to this. Or I might save it till the end and use it as a way to discuss. But when I click on that, it creates this chatbot system here, and it lists the question, and then it provides several different answers. So again, what are the major technological challenges and opportunities facing the colonization of Mars? Well, it gives you the answers. Here's the first one: the need for more powerful and efficient rockets. Another one is the opportunity, nuclear thermal propulsion, the challenge of long-duration space travel, the complexity of building and managing a self-sustaining colony. So a lot of different challenges, and it gives you a lot of more information here, a lot of additional information that goes with it. Now, let's say that I didn't want something quite that complex. Let's say I just wanted some fill-in-the-blank questions. Well, down here in this chat window, I can say, create 5 fill-in-the-blank questions from the video with answers. And now the chatbot is going to come up with its own fill-in-the-blank questions. So number 1, the most powerful rockets to leave Earth have been NASA's Saturn V and their blank, and its space launch system. Second question, SpaceX has stated that they will build one Starship vehicle blank every single day. Third question, Elon Musk has said that the Raptor engine has a combustion efficiency of, and the answer is 99.99%. Now, you're not going to want all of these questions. Maybe you want it to generate more and you want to pick the best ones from that. And that's just one way that you can do this. Now, let's imagine you are creating a lesson plan and you want your lesson plan to be aligned to the standards. So in science, that might be the next generation science standards. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, create a short answer question with the answer from the video and align it to the next generation science standards. And let's see what it can do with this. And again, you could do this several times until you got the exact questions that you wanted. So here's an example that they gave. The short answer, aligned to next generation science standards. What type of propulsion system does NASA believe is necessary for the colonization of Mars, and how is it more efficient than traditional chemical rockets? And it gives you the answer. It's nuclear thermal propulsion. It's 3 to 5 times more efficient. This is aligned to a couple different ones. High school physical science 1-5, which is apply scientific principles and evidence to provide an explanation about the effects of changing the temperature or concentration of the reacting particles on the rate at which a reaction occurs. So that's one, and it also gives you high school physical science 3-3, design, build, and refine a device that works within given constraints to convert one form of energy into another form of energy. I know when I taught science, it was a little bit difficult sometimes to align my lessons to the next generation science standards. This does it for you, all right? And there's a lot of other applications that you can use this for. There's other AIs, and we'll be talking about them on this channel as well. But again, this program is called NotebookLM. It's a very powerful AI that has several different uses, but one of them, and what I've showed you, is how you can use this in conjunction with YouTube video clips or regular long YouTube videos, how you can generate questions, how you can do fill-in-the-blank questions, you could do short answer, you could do true-false, you could have it create better essay questions, and you can align all of those questions from the video with the next generation science standards. This doesn't work with only science. You could also use this in English. You could use it in social studies. You could use it in PE. You could use this in a variety of different ways. It can quickly help you generate lessons, lesson plan ideas, and help your students to process that information. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Ryan's school. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI tools that you're most excited to explore. Thanks for tuning in. Let's keep learning and innovating, and I'll see you in the next class.